Hey guys, we're gonna do another episode of the Cameraman Special. I've asked Jesse to put some ingredients under these towels. I'm gonna clear the towels away and cook whatever I find. One thing that I do know is that we're getting low on groceries, so this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be tasty. So come right back and we'll throw down on the Cameraman Special. Okay, we're gonna get our pans going. I know I'll need a hot pan to make this happen quick, and let's go on the clock and just see what happens. No smoke and mirrors here, guys. We're not gonna stop this. It's gonna roll until we're done. So here goes nothing. Boom. Let's see what we got. Okay. Can work with that. So I know these steaks, let me grab a cutting board. These steaks are getting a little bit tired, so I'm actually glad you threw these in. You can see they're starting to discolor a little bit on the sides. There's New York's. This one has the nerve. You see this little Y thing here? Whenever you're buying New York's, don't get that piece. If you see that in there, probably the first 3 to 4 cuts on the end of the strip have that. So always look for ones that are clear of it. I'm just telling you that because I don't typically cut up strips, but in this case I'm going to, especially once we have that nerve in there. So we're gonna just work around that. Okay, got that going. Get into this onion. Ooh, little rotten part. Cut that out. That. Onion in the oil, baby. Salt and pepper. Then the carrots are going in next because they're the densest. Just cutting through these carrots. Asian bias cut, the ABC, baby. What I'm gonna do just to help those carrots, just take a little bit of my water. Some steam going. What else we got? Oh, garlic. Well, I got that going a little earlier, but it'll be okay. Get our garlic going in there. Salt and pepper. Season as you go, guys, right? That's how it works. Let's see our time. 6:13. I'm gonna leave some of this garlic. Whatever, we'll use it all. Is that the rule, Jesse? Gotta use it all? Poblanos, let's pull those out. Okay, tomatoes. Just cutting out the little pit there, and then we'll come in from the inside here. Hearts of palm. That's for me. What is that? All right, pan back on the heat. Salt and pepper. And really I'd be using the Paleo Nick Super Radical Rib Rub right now, but Jesse didn't give me any, and that's not fair game. So I'll just stick with what I have. Here we go. Do caramelization on one side. Again, we don't want to overcook this stuff. All that good. Half my poblanos. Half my tomatoes. That's it. When you cut the heat, tomatoes and poblanos, they just need to kiss the pan for a second. Kiss the heat. Let's get a little smoky in here. We're gonna call this Jesse's world-class carrot and poblano steak fajitas. All right? It's tasty. It's gonna make your friends and family happy if you share it with them. And whoa! We got the bro here. He wants to check it out. What do you think, bud? You want a piece? You want a bite?
Yeah.
No. The bro right here, Paleo Nick in the garage, doing what I can to help you guys. Keep it paleo. Stop. 13, 17, dinner for 6.